In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your wallet on PUMPFUN. Now, when you go to the right side of the upper side of your PC, you're going to see connect wallet. Then you don't use this email, you just click on Phantom. Then you must have had your Phantom wallet installed on your extension or your browser. So you click confirm. When you click confirm, it has already been connected. This is fast and easy way to connect your wallet on PUMPFUN. You can also use your email. When you get here, you can disconnect as quick as possible, and be sure to disconnect anytime after using PUMPFUN, because no site is that secure to leave your connection just like that. So easy way, click on connect. You can either use your email or use more wallets. You can explore to see the ones you have installed so far. If you want to use Software, you can just install it, but me, I have Phantom already installed in my browser, so I just connect it as fast as possible and use for whatever I want to do. Easy.